A woman got arrested, locked up for 5 months because AI said she was involved in bank fraud.
A Tennessee woman spent 5 months in jail after police used an artificial intelligence tool to link her to crimes in North Dakota, even though she says she's never even been to that state.
Everyone needs to know that your bank is not just holding your money anymore, it's judging your behavior. And right now, the AI systems are flagging people, freezing accounts, and locking people out of their own money. And you're gonna be shocked because it's not because they did something illegal, but because the system thinks they did. And if you think that sounds crazy, let me tell you what just happened. As I said earlier, a woman got arrested, locked up for 5 months because AI said she was involved in bank fraud. No proof, no evidence, just AI. And the worst part, she had never even been to the state where the crime happened. So before you see her thinking, this can't affect me, let me ask you something real simple. What happens if your bank decides you look suspicious? Now, if you follow me, you're focused on your credit. You're trying to fix your credit score, build your profile, and get approved for bigger limits. And that's great, but let me shift your mindset for a second, because nobody in the credit space is even talking about this. You can have a 780 credit score and still get locked out of your money, because this isn't about your credit score, this is about access, and access is controlled by systems, not your credit score. So let me break down this story so you understand how serious this is. There was a woman named Angela Lips. Regular person, not a criminal, and not somebody that's running scams. She's just living her life, and then one day, law enforcement shows up and arrests her. You're probably asking why? Because facial recognition AI linked her to a bank fraud case. Now here's the part that should wake you up. She wasn't the person. She had never even been to North Dakota. And that's where the crime happened. But the system said she looks like the suspect. And instead of verifying properly, they moved forward anyway. She got charged with multiple felonies and sat in jail for over 5 months before they even realized they got the wrong person. And think about it, 5 months of your life gone, all because the system made a mistake. Now here's why this matters to you, because the whole situation started with a bank fraud investigation. That's the connection. Banks to fraud detection to AI, and then decisions. The same type of systems are watching your account right now. Not a person, a system. I need you to drop this in the comments right now. AI is watching, because once you understand this, you start moving differently. Now let's talk about why this is happening, because this isn't random. Banks are dealing with increased fraud, cyber threats, and global instability. They're under pressure to catch everything. So what do? Of course, they automate. They use AI systems to monitor transactions, detect unusual behavior, and flag anything that looks off. Because here's the problem. AI doesn't understand you, it understands patterns. And if you break the pattern, you get flagged. But let me tell you how easy it truly is to get caught up in this. You deposit a large check, flagged. You get money from a new source, flagged. You move money between accounts too quickly, flagged. You send money through apps back and forth, flagged. You travel and swipe your card somewhere new, flagged, because now the system is thinking, this doesn't match normal behavior, even if everything is completely legit. And that's the serious danger. Now I want you to be real with me for a second and comment below, I've been flagged, or it's never happened to me, because I already know some of y'all have experienced this. Let me know in the comments. This is really important because I really want to see who's been affected. Now let's talk about what actually happens, because this is where people get caught off guard. When your account gets flagged, transactions stop, transfers freeze, and debit cards decline. And then now you're calling your bank, waiting on hold, explaining yourself, sending documents, trying to prove you're not doing anything wrong. And while all that is happening, life doesn't stop, bills are still due. Gas still needs to be filled, food still needs to be bought, and that's where people begin to panic. Let me paint this picture real quick. You just got paid, $1,500 hits your account, you're good. Next morning, account restricted. You go to the store, card declined. You check your app, can't log in. Now you're calling the bank and they say, we need to verify your activity. And now, all of a sudden, you're stuck. Waiting 24, 48, maybe even 72 hours with money you can't touch. That's not a money problem, that's an access problem. Now let's talk about what you need to do, because this is where you separate yourself from everyone else. Number one, move money with intention. Stop moving money randomly. Make your transactions make sense, because consistency matters. Number two, communicate with your bank. Big deposit coming in? Call them. It's just that simple, but most people don't do it. Number three, avoid suspicious patterns. No bouncing money between apps, no constant back and forth transfers. That's exactly what gets flagged. Number four, keep documentation. Always be able to prove it. Where your money came from, because if they ask, you need answers. But now let's level this up, because this is what smart people do. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Brandon. Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Don't rely on one bank. You should have a major bank, a credit union, or an online account. Me personally, I prefer all credit unions. I don't want to be banking with any major banks themselves. I just say that because some people say I can't get into a credit union, even though everybody pretty much can get into a credit union. But why all the accounts, you probably ask? Because if one locks you out, you still have access somewhere else. That's how you stay in control. And yes, you need some cash, not everything, but you need enough for 3 to 5 days of essentials, because when the system goes down, cash doesn't glitch. Last part's the most important. And let's bring this back to credit, because this is what people always miss. Credit gives you power, but only when the systems are working. If systems pause, your credit doesn't swipe. That's why real financial strategy is this: credit plus access plus liquidity, not just a credit score. So let me ask you this. If your account got flagged today, would you be okay? Or would everything stop? I want you to be honest and comment, I'm ready or I'm not ready. Because what happened to her started with a bank. And the same systems are watching you right now. And here's something that everyone needs to pay attention to, why this is even bigger than anybody expects. Iran is threatening data centers and cloud centers. So this is a huge deal. If they wipe out major infrastructure for cloud centers and data centers, that could be catastrophic for not just their region, but also our region. So this is why I think it's very important that everyone pay attention and stay prepared. It's not to fearmonger or make you feel like the world is gonna end, but we all need to be ready. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with the 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.